everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you all are doing good. Today I have brought a kettle makeover video for you guys. At first I painted the kettle with a coat of black acrylic paint. For the top portion I used golden color over a coat of white paint, which basically acts as a primer here and makes any color brighter and gives it a refined look. I used green color for the handle and the neck and let it dry for 10 minutes. This entire portion will be decorated with freestyle designs. You can draw anything, you can copy a design, or you can come up with your own unique pattern. I have gone with a golden floral pattern in order to contrast with the black background. There's no need to be very careful or precise here. Just express yourself, have fun, and create what you want to create. Next, I'm gonna add some detailing to the flowers using red and green color. See how this simple step makes the design pop out and makes it look much better. After adding a border, I have created a check pattern on the top portion using black color. Now I'm gonna add some floral designs here too and cover the entire kettle with some pretty white dots. The dots really enhance the look and makes the kettle stand out. I'm gonna paint the spout of the kettle in green and create a multicolored pattern on the opposite side. Make sure you don't forget to design the cap too. I have gone for a very basic pattern on the sides and some nice contrasting dots on the top. With just a few finishing touches on the handle, our kettle is complete. And here's how it looks on my shelf. Thank you for watching, guys, and if you found this video enjoyable, please subscribe to my channel and also give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family if possible. That is all from the DIY Maniac today, and see you again in my next video.